foodies, get ready to make the best homemade hush puppies. Today we'll show you two different recipes. These easy fried cornmeal recipes are your secret to perfect side dish for seafood or anything. We'll show you how to get that irresistible crispy exterior and fluffy interior every time. Like, subscribe, and let's get cooking this Southern comfort food classic. First recipe will create hush puppies with a smooth exterior and not as dense. We have half cup cornmeal, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1½ tablespoon granulated sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon chicken powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon melted butter, 2 tablespoon grated onion, 1 egg yolk at room temperature, 1/4 cup buttermilk at room temperature, some black pepper. Combine everything in a bowl in any order you wish and mix. The batter will be a little thin, so it's going to be a little hard to shape it perfectly like a ball. I use a 2-spoon method to drop it in the hot oil, and this is how I do it. You drop it and push the edge to fix it. Heat up oil in a pan, drop the dough and fix it. Fry until golden brown and drain on paper towel. This is what it looks like. The second recipe will produce hush puppies that are more dense and a textured surface that gives them a hearty, down-home feel. They are addictive as well. We have half cup cornmeal, half cup all-purpose flour, 2½ tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon plus 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon grated onion, 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon buttermilk, black pepper, 1 egg yolk at room temperature. Mix everything together. Heat up oil in a pan and drop using the 2 teaspoon method. Because they have a firmer texture, it makes forming the hush puppies simpler. Fry until golden brown. Your hush puppies are ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time.